Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Well, today I am doing a 5 off of 25. 5 off of 25 Saturday, y'all. But y'all see I'm on my couch right now because I actually did 3 5 off of 25 transactions, but they was on 3 different numbers, okay? My number, my daughter's number, and my husband's number. So I did, like I said, 3 transactions. I'm shooting right now. I'm showing you on the video. Well, the transactions is sitting in a different location, okay? Other than on my table, like I usually show you all. So first, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers, okay? So let's go ahead and get to this video because it shouldn't be too long. But let's go ahead and get to this video. 5 off of 25 Saturday. So let's start over here first. So the first thing I got, I did the paper deal, okay? This deal right here is on my my number, okay? So I said, let me go ahead and see if I can do this paper deal because the coupons are expiring today. And then also there is a paper coupon that is expiring today, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the transaction, then I'm going to show you the receipt right after, okay? So the first thing I got was the Scott paper towel, the 6 off of 10. These are $5.95. Make sure you scan them in the app before you think that they're $5 because no, they're not $5 anymore. They are $5.95. There is a $1 digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Cottonelle. I got the Cottonelle Comfort Care. These are $5. There is a $1 digital coupon that is attaching. Also, I got 2 Scott Toilet Paper Comfort Plus. These are $5. There is a $1 digital coupon that is attaching. Okay, I only had 1 digital for here, but this one back here. But it's $5 Scott 12 big rolls. It was a 50 cents off manufacturer coupon. I forgot which paper that it came out of, but go on coupontime.com, type in Scott, and you should get that coupon, okay? Then the last thing I purchased was these 2 Dove hand wash. There is a buy one, get one free manufacturer coupon that is expiring today, and it is a 18.59 ounce. But if you find the ones that's pink, you can get both of these are $4.50 a piece, okay? So when you got that coupon, buy one, get one free. Then also there is a savings. If you spend $8 or more, you get $2 off of Dove. So I got that. And then also I thought that my other digital would have came off. It was, I think it was $1.50. It's a Dollar General coupon. It was $1.50 off of 2. But I thought that would have came up, but I don't think it came off. It might have, but I really was trying to figure it out, but I said, you know what? I'm not going to figure it out. So the subtotal for all of this was $12.96. And you know, all my coupons came off, my digitals came off. So let me show you the receipt. Let me get it. There we go. There is the Scott. There's my 2 discounts. Because you know, if you spend $20 or more on the paper products, and then also Kleenex, you save $4, okay? So let me go back. There's the Scott Comfort. There's my 50 cents manufacturer coupon. There's another Scott Comfort. There's my digital. My Cottonelle. There's my digital. Then the Scott paper towels. There's my digital. And then there is the manufacturer coupon with buy one, get one free. It took out $4.49, which was a penny. Then I had a $2 discount, okay? So my subtotal was $12.96. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. And look at my total savings, $16.99. Yes, I was loving that. getting all of this paper product. So let's move over to this transaction that I did. So on this transaction, I was trying to do the 5 off of 25 and then also the 5 off of 20 for gain. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me get to this one. So what I did was, for the gain, I purchased 4 small spaces. I had a, what was it, $1 off of 1 and a $2 off of 2 digital coupon that did apply to this. So I got that. Then also I got the gain, $4.50. I printed off a $1 manufacturer coupon on P&G because my area does not get the $2 or the $1 gain in the papers. They just discontinue that. So I have to print it off. And then, you know, when you print it off, you got to go to the store either that day or the next day. So I was like, I don't have time for that. So I just, when I know I'm going to get gain, that's when I print it and go on. So then the next thing I got was the gain fireworks. This is $4.50. There is a $1 digital coupon that did attach to this. Okay. So that right there, because this is a 14 count, this right here, these items right here totaled up to over $20. So my 5 off of 25 did come off for that. Okay. So then the next thing I got was the Snuggle. These are $2.25 because I'm going for my 5 off of 25 total. So like I said, these are $2.25. I had a $1.25 digital coupon that did attach. And then, y'all, this right here was on my last card, and I knew I still had it, was the Dawn Power Wash. These are, let's see, the Dawn Power Washes are $3.95, and there is a $3.99 digital coupon if you buy 2 of them, okay? And I love this Power Wash, y'all. Love the Power Wash. So, after my 5 off of 20 came off, then my 5 off of 25 came off, and all my coupons came off. My subtotal was $10.91. Yes, $10.91. It would have been cheaper than that if my gain, if I had $2 digital. I mean, not $2, the paper, but I don't think they even give $2. I think they still give $2. See, that's how long it's been since we've had any paper coupons for gain. We don't even get it for Tide. So we just have to go on the P&G, and, you know, they are mainly just $1, or if you get the one that's more, then it's $2. So I just just deal with it. So my subtotal was $10.91. I don't think that's bad. $10.91. So let me show you my receipt. There is the Febreze. There is the Gain Flings, the Dawn Power Washes, the Gain Fireworks, and the Febreze Small Spaces, and the Snuggle. $10.91. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So look at my total savings, $20.24. Yeah, $20.24 savings. I think that is really good. So my last transaction, I'm sorry, y'all, my door is open and I was trying to get some sunlight in here because, you know, I'm not usually back in my office shooting the video. Okay. So the last transaction, y'all, this right here, but, oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, there is also, I got on, I think I just got it on 2. I thought I had it on all 3 of my numbers. There is a digital coupon that came out. I don't know if it was today or yesterday. It was $3 off of 15 for cleaning. So I don't know what it actually, because I was trying to see what it actually, you know, was the products was eligible for, and it wouldn't show me. So I'm thinking on this transaction right here, I'm thinking that it came off because it was almost the same, but just a little bit. So what I'm going to show you, okay, this is the last one that I did because I was only going to do 2, but I had found a paper coupon that I was looking for in the store. So I was like, let me go back in here, and before I had even pulled off from the store, and do this deal one more time, which I was thinking it was going to be like my first deal, but maybe just a little bit more money. But y'all, I'm going to show y'all my receipt, okay? So I got the Viva. Viva is, let's see, $6.50. The Scott paper towel, which these are paper towels, okay? The Scott paper towels are $5.95. Cottonelle, $5, $1 digital coupon. Let's move this out of the way for right now. And then my Scott paper towel, toilet paper, $1 digital came off for that. So you know, once you spend $20 or more, $4 comes off, right? So I said, let me go on, since I found these two in here. I said, let me go ahead and use this last coupon that, well, it's not my last coupon, but let me use this coupon that I found, which was buy one Dove hand wash and get one free. Then plus, you know, there's a $2 off of 8. Say $2 when you spend 8 on Dove. And then also, I know I had the $1.50 on here because I was scanning it in the store. So I bought these two. These, like I said, this is $4.50. I had a buy one get one free manufacturer coupon, which took off $4.49. Okay, y'all. After she scanned all this, I put the number in. Why my subtotal come up to $8.44? So I'm thinking the $3 off of 15 came off with this, along with the 4 and the 5. I really didn't sit down and, calculate everything, but my subtotal was cheaper than my first transaction. And I couldn't understand that. I was like, maybe I didn't have one on my first transaction, the 3 off of 15. But let me show you my receipt so you'll see. All right, so there's the Scott paper towel. Okay, my digital came off for that. There's my Viva. My digital came off for that. There's both of my Dove. My paper coupon came off. Then I had my store discount. My $1.50 came off. And my $2 came off. Then there's the Cottonelle. My $1 came off. And then there is the Scott Comfort. My 50 cents. It's scanned. Okay? Because on this one, I had already used, it wasn't $1 that came off of the Scott, because I had already used that earlier in a previous video that I had done, which I will link that so you all can look at that video. But I had already used the digital. I'm so sorry on that, y'all. I used the paper coupon on the Scott. Okay, this paper is toilet paper. So I had a 50 cents off manufacturer coupon, which you can go on coupontime.com and look for that. And look, 50 cents, my 50 cent scan. Look at my subtotal, $8.44. And everybody's taxes, it's different. Look at my total savings, $23.01. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. Yeah. I said this is the first time that I ever did 5 off of 25 on a Saturday. I've done 2 transactions before, but as far as 3, I was like, oh, I'm killing the game right now. Okay, I'm killing it. I didn't get my subtotals real low, but I got it as low as I could with the coupons that I have. And I am proud of myself, and I am happy. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. Thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Child.